a useful method will likely involve trying, and in your mind, lots of indirect ways of grasping direct. And over time, you get there indirect. They're indirect. So doing that isn't going to work. So it's like, that's not direct. That's not direct. But, all of your experience is that way. So you have to confront a lot of experience. So your mind, you try to figure it out, you try to feel it, et cetera, okay? And you grasp, well, this is not direct. Mm-hmm. And so it leads to, generally speaking, less and less.
Right.
Yeah, but still, you're the one that has to grasp it directly. So I use as an analogy. It's maybe not, certainly not accurate at all, but those seeing eye pictures. You see, we got the computer generated stuff. It just kind of patterns of nonsense. And you cannot see the image. And you try and you can't see the image. And as long as you're kind of looking at it in that way, you can't see the image until suddenly, boom, somehow you look at it a different way. And then instantly, there is now the 3D image. And you can see, I didn't know there was a shark there. I didn't know there was a planet. And you see all this stuff. You didn't say, And you, like I said, you can speak with authority about it because looking at it. No, see, look at, no, this is up here. This is, And somebody else who can't see it, is, what? I don't see. It's right there. Look. It's got a little tear in his fin over there. Oh, really? Okay. See? It's like a sudden boom. Different thing.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.